So let's choose file. I'm using dataset 1 for this exercise. Let's open it, make it next. I wanted to tell it dataset 1 only. And then create project. Okay. So I would like to start with the commission date. Let's see what it has to say. If I read the text passage, then if I go along, I can see 29/10/2012. So there is some problem with it. We don't know whether it's month, day, or year, or day, month, year. So to get rid of it, I'm going to press this, edit cell, command transform, and then I'm going to change it into the date. So it's now year, month, day with time. I'm going to get rid of it. So we don't have to go to the each and change all those that by saying it. I can just see the column if it's expiration date. So we can say that it's the date. So I can just go here, edit cell again, command transforms, and then I'm going to change it to the date. Here you go. And also if I see this one, office level column, and this is 052, currently it's a text. But if I want to see the numeric facet of it, it says the no numeric value present. So I can see the ranges and all that. So what I'll do is I'll change this to the number. Edit cell, again command transform, and then to the number. Now what happens here is I can just see the facet, the numeric facet, and I can see the range, and I can do whatever the analysis needed to be done. So I'm going to close it. So this is how we can change the type of the data that is according to the column. For now, I will go to the office title. Let's see the facet of it. Here you go. If I see here, it's a elderman. It's elderman as well. But due to having some space on it, the system is treating it like two different. So I can just go it here and then get rid of those spaces and then apply. Now it will be just one alderman. But we don't have to go through all this manually. So to skip the part, manual part, we can go here. We can do edit cell again and command transform and trim leading and tailing white space. This is now it will get rid of these spaces, 5, 6, 6, 5 cells. So it's now taken care of. So now, well, if I see here, it's saying the elderman 799, but if I see here, it's an elderman. So we can guess it's the same one. How to do it quickly? I can use the cluster function. If I go here, and if this is the next screen that you see, if I see cluster, and I can change the keying function from here. Let's see of n-gram, what it has to offer to me. Okay, so here you go. Council member at large 15 and council member 2 records. So basically these two are the same thing, just a small space. And then this one, council member 2 and council member 3. Again, we always have to go to the business rule first, what the business will treat it like. But I'm not going to touch it because it looks like council member 2nd and council member 3rd are two different positions. If I see this one, it says council member without a space. So I'm going to treat it like a same. Now I'm going to merge selected and recluster. So I'm not going to touch it. Let's see the other one, what it has to offer. Looks like they all are different. For this, justice for peace, pieces, peace, they all are the same thing. So I'm going to merge it. The next one is elderman and elderman. So these two are the same ones. So I'm going to merge it as well. For the next one, councilman and councilmen, I'm going to merge it as well. So merge selected and recluster. Let's see for the other one if I have. No, I'm not going to touch it. Again, we have to go back to the bigness rule as a crease. Let's see if we have something here. So we can see here constable and constables. Looks like these two are the same one. Merge and select. Let's see if his. No cluster form. So we can close this. So this is how we can use the cluster function to do those. So now